Hello, stage 2. Welcome to week 8. Now, we have noticed you have not been watching the video instructions or reading the instructions on the slides. But how do we know this? Firstly, I can see the statistics of every video. I've noticed that not many have been watching every video, so you must do that. Secondly, you've been asking us questions that we answer in the videos. And my response every time is, have you watched the video? And a lot of the time, the answer I get is, no. Thirdly, you've been rushing your work. You've been leaving vital information out. Or it's just completely wrong because you haven't read the instructions or watched the video. Now, this is your classwork. This is you in our classroom. We as teachers would not accept your work if it was half done or rushed or completely wrong. We wouldn't. So we're not accepting it now. You must do the best work you can because as much as we may not like it, this is our classroom. The instructional video is the teacher being up in front of the classroom, showing you and modeling the work. So every time you don't watch the video, it's like you're not listening to the teacher explain it to you, which is why you keep asking questions. So, how do we do it? Okay, so the button will be down here. It will look like a YouTube symbol. And when you press it, it will come up with a link. And this is how you view every single video. But this is the introduction page. So this week's learning, you would like to choose an animal that will be the theme for your work this week. I'll tell you now, I've been watching quite a few animal YouTube videos, and the ones that scare me the most are crocodiles. Oh, nothing scarier than a crocodile. Oh, love it. Or even alligators, doesn't matter. But yeah, crocodile, alligator, just makes me, freaks me out. But anyway, you'll be given the choice of activities from across the curriculum. It means a wide range of subjects. Each activity will be given a value of 5, 10, 20, or 30 points, just like last week. Again, over the week, we want you to complete at least 250, because last week we had Wellbeing Day, which is separate, but this time we're doing it all week. Or 50 points a day is the minimum. The minimum, 50 points each day. Most importantly, you do not have to do every activity. There are more than, there is a lot more than 250 points here. You're given the freedom of choice. But we expect 50 points each day and 250 points for the week minimum. No less than. Minimum means no less than. If you can do 55 points in the day, perfect. You do 260 points in the week, perfect. Each time you complete an activity, don't forget to take a photo of it and send it to your class teacher. We need to see that you've done the work so we can mark it. And if we give you feedback like, oh, you've missed something out, you must do it then. You must go back and do it. Your first task is to choose an animal and let your teacher know which of the animals you choose. You are more than welcome to choose a crocodile, by the way. Absolutely. When you've chosen your animal, we want you to write it on the first page up here. My animal. Type it in. My animal would be crocodile. Scary stuff. And that is it. I expect everyone to go to the next slide now and watch the next instructional video. We'll see you then.